You wanna do the intro?
You got it.
Okay. You don't know how to do my intro? Okay. Aiden did my intro. He would do my intro again. I just hit my leg on that. That hurt. What's up, guys? In today's video, we are taking off the steering wheel and maybe putting the transmission in. Maybe.
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 Can I drop this in there?
No. And we're gonna watch the airbag just go into his face because I have the battery connected.
I'm fucking scared. Boom.
Window works perfectly.
Yes, sir.
Quick release right here. All the other junk. Where'd you put the... Where did the thing go? Oh, it's right there. What's up?
Now I don't know what you do after this. I've never installed one. I don't know. I know you gotta take something off and then get under there. And the hub just bolts on.
You good?
You sure?
Yeah.
This bitch falls, bro.
Bro, it's on Jackson.
Standing on your engine right now. How you feel about that?
Oh, yeah? What are you doing if this thing just tips over?
Dude, it feels sketch.
Falls on you.
Griffin is not calling me.
I think he forgot. Where's the businessman?
Griffin said I'm not leaving anytime soon.
I told you. Well, we're not getting this truck running, I guess.
Roundcity.com. Roundcity.com.
You don't need a valve cover.
You don't need a valve cover. God damn it. You're getting that. I'm gonna crash out. It fell to the ground.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Even though there's no like pedal to it?
Yeah, just... What the fuck is that noise? There's an alien in it, bro.
Where's the A? Oh.
It's just the throttle body because there's no filter on it.
Oh, okay, gotcha. But hey, it's on.
It runs.
Yeah.
Yo.
That hurt. Oh my god, I cannot feel my finger right now. Oh my. Get like the little shot of it, like how it looks, not like from out there, like how leaning it is. You think it's fine?
Bluetooth. Oh my god, that thing's close. This thing does not go up that high.
I see what you're saying.
Go for it. Go back again. Like that. Ooh. Ooh, this shit's scary. Oh shit, hold on, the e-brake ain't up. Hold on. This bitch going.
Yeah, please pull that up. Hopefully you remembered it.
What the fuck? We should be good. I'm just stepping back though, just for my safety.
What? What about me? What are we thinking? Not Bluetooth yet.
Oh shit, bro.
Platoon! I'm kinda scared.
Is that max?
Huh?
Oh bro, it's about...
What?
Is it good yet?
I don't know. It might be maxed. Not going on.
Are you sure? Keep going. Keep going.
I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
Bro, you're like 50 feet away. I'm right next to it.
It's not Bluetooth yet?
No. No, it's maxed. It's maxed for sure.
Alright, lower it slow. Lower it slow.
Dude, I'm gonna lower it.
What if I just kick the wood out? Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Do me lower it?
Take
Give me lower it? Oh, I'm watching. I'm getting that angle. Oh! This is probably the stupidest stuff we've done.
Dude, I don't know, dude. I don't know, dude.
Oh, the brake isn't even fully on it. That's what I'm saying. Bro, I'm kind of scared. Hey, get on the four-wheeler and, like, just kick it.
You
and
sure?
Then, yeah. And just make it drop. You want me to do it?
I got you. Hold on. You sure?
Yeah. This kick. I'm backing up. You scared? Kick it. Kick it hard.
Watch. You sure? You give me consent?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Go. Ooh.
Oh, we're good.
Oh.
It's on the jack.
Okay.
Okay. You got that. The spider's on there. You got that shit.
Ooh.
Go pick them bricks up, bud. Oh, fuck no.
Stop moving, bud.
We're good. It's ready to drive.
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm kind of scared to do this part.
Nah, it's fine.
Dude, can I just drop it?
No. Yeah. I mean, it's not gonna do anything.
It's not gonna flip it?
No.
I'm probably just gonna drop it.
Just drop it.
The suspension's already crap.
Just drop it.
Yo!
That tire's a little low. Is that lower?
Yeah. Way lowered. Yo!
Yeah. This bitch is like this.
Because we don't have the back lowered.
Alright, well. Let's keep going.
Oh boy. Back her up, bud. Back her up.
Hold on. What?
What?
These seats are sliding around. That's not safe.
We're gonna hit the brake. We're gonna slide through the windshield.
That is not safe.
Bro, get my back real quick. Am I cooked in the icing? Am I good?
Hold on.
I can feel the dirt on me.
There you go. You're pretty good.
Okay. I got it zip tight enough.
For sure. Hop in.
I'm gonna wait for you to back up first.
This is not safe.
I don't think you're gonna make it far.
This is not safe.
I'm kind of scared. Ooh.
Dude, something smells like shit in here, dude.
What in the
smell
world?
that?
Yes.
Something on fire?
Is something on fire?
Yeah, look.
What do I look for?
Fire?
No, it's just oil burning, that's it.
Hop in. Hop in.
How far are we going? Okay.
Trying to burn out?
You ready?
What the fuck is that thing, dude? I hate that fucking e-brake.
Bro, the gutted interior, kind of crazy. Oh, turn.
Ow.
Turn.
I hit my fucking thumb, man.
So complaining. What?
It's not going.
Oh. Back up. Is that reverse?
Huh.
What are you doing? Bro.
What?
How are we gonna reverse? Oh, okay. What? Go.
What the fuck is that?
Oh no. Aliens. Oh. Holy. You. Bro. Watch out for the car back there. Oh. Oh my god. Bro. I think we messed up.
What you mean?
Uh-oh. Smoking a lot now. Oh my god. Oh. Holy, you're the professional.
This shit's funny, dude.
Is it good?
It's fine. What you mean? Maybe you should put that gasket on.
Maybe. I don't have the gasket right now though.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Oh,
fuck.
What's it looking like?
It's just oil.
Okay. So,
This shit's crazy.
but it wouldn't go in gear?
It didn't want to.
That's kind of scary.
You trying to go on the road?
No.
Oh my god, man. Holy shit. These wipers work?
No. I took the wiper motor out.
Oh.
That's why it's halfway up. So, what now?
Trying to go on an adventure?
No. Kind of scared.
Is that first?
Where are we going?
Nah, just like right here. It's fine. Trying to go to advance?
No.
Dude, the fucking seat flying around is crazy.
Go too far. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, starts up perfectly.
You want me to take it back in its home?
Yeah. Low key.
I don't think it's driving today.
I don't think it needs to.
Holy shit.
Holy rocks. Look at my feet.
Yeah, bud, you need a transmission.
Hold up. Don't move.
Oh.
Dang.
Sorry, sir.
You're trying to run me over.
Yeah.
Go. Yep. Whoa. Okay. Go. Keep on. All right.
You think it's ready for its first road drive?
Bro, this thing's dangling. What is this?
What?
It was-
It's just plastic.
It was a dangling.
You think it's ready to drive on the road?
I don't know about that. So you think it's a transmission?
I mean, I don't know.
You don't know? Was it just sketchy?
Yeah.
Well, but you said it wasn't going in gear. Or were you
But
just,
it went in gear.
Or were you over exaggerating it?
It wouldn't go in gear for a second, but then it went in gear. But I mean, your Miata was doing that too.
Oh boy. That's another Miata situation.
I don't know what that loud ass. Well, I know what that, but it was like really, really loud that one time.
Oh yeah, when
like,
we were trying to back
really,
up.
really loud. Yeah, I don't know what that was. You want to take it on the road?
Oh. Think Griffin can pull up.
Why don't you want to go on the road?
Think Griffin can pull up. You know why? You think we're making it back?
Yeah.
Nah. I think if we take it on the road, we'll never make it back.
Well, you can push it back.
It'll be this dude said
You can
push
tow it back with your car. Your dad can tow it back.
Oh yeah, whenever he's here in 5 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the next move?
Alright, that's the end of the video. We did a pretty good amount of stuff today. Mainly we did like I said, a pretty good amount. We drove it, we took it off the brakes. It's off the brakes right now. I smashed my finger. That thing still hurts. But we were going to take it on the road, but that we did not trust it. We parked it, we looked at the engine, we took off the oil cap, and there's a bunch of blow by, which I'll put a video somewhere in this clip somewhere. I don't know where. I'll probably edit it somewhere on this video where y'all can see like the blow by and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna have to rebuild the whole engine and possibly another transmission because, well, my voice cracked. I'm thinking about doing a 240 SX swap, intake swap. Thoughts on that? I don't know. It'll free up a bunch of space. I'm probably gonna take out this power steering because the power steering is taking up so much space. And if I do a 240 SX intake, I'm gonna have to either get a different power steering thing because it wouldn't fit, or I just have to take out the power steering completely. So I'm just going to take out the power steering completely. Other than that, I'm just going to be working on the engine and considering buying a new trans. Planning on having it back up by March 2025. So it is October right now. So November, December, January, February, March. That gives me 5 months. I should have enough to get it fully built, hopefully, if it goes to plan. But yeah, that's just the plan right now, because right now it's not going to be driving good. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll probably pick up the camera some other day. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. I'm at 1,050 right now, so I'm growing slowly but surely. I was at 1,000 like 2 weeks ago. Now I'm gained 50 within the last 2 weeks, which is really good. Hopefully I just continue just to grow. My goal is at least 100k subscribers, but I don't know when I'll be, but I'm just hoping that I'll get there one day. That's my main goal right now, and just to build cool cars, unique cars, not something that you'd see like on an everyday track, you know. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Check out my Instagram, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.